Welcome to Patty's Southern Kitchen, and right now I have Tyler on. He's going to make some 2-ingredient chocolate fudge. And this is an old recipe. It's nothing new, it's simple, inexpensive, only 2 ingredients. He is using the Toll House semi-sweet chocolate pieces, and he's using the Eagle brand sweetened condensed milk. And he's going to add a 3rd ingredient. He decided to put some pecans in his. And it's going to be simple, and it'll take about an hour to set. It's no cooking. I mean, it's just, you can't go wrong with this recipe. It's simple, and the children love it. So go on, Tyler, and get started. Let's make it happen.
14-ounce can of Eagle brand sweetened condensed milk. Make sure when you buy your sweet condensed milk, it only has sugar and milk in it.
Watch your feet, don't trip. I'll take this.
Make sure you get all of it out. Then you pour your semi-sweet Nestle Toll House into that sweet condensed milk.
Ooh, all of that chocolate.
And just mix it real good.
Let me show you something here. We're going to scrape the bowl, the sides, and the bottom, and mix it very well. And once it's all incorporated, then Tyler will put it in the microwave for 30 seconds. If it's not melted, well melted at that time, he will go another 30 seconds, I'm sorry, until it is well melted.
We'll be right back. Here's our parchment paper. We put parchment paper in the pan. We're gonna pull it out when it gets done settling, but it's just gonna be in there for when we put it in the refrigerator.
Okay, this is what it looks like. It stayed in the microwave. It went 30 seconds, and then 15 seconds. And this is what it looks like. And Tyler is going to add the pecans in. Watch your feet. And then give it a good stir. Let me show you how to stir this. Just give it a good stir. Oh, this is going to be delicious. All of these nice pecans in here. Oh my. I remember when my mom used to make this, which is Tyler's great-grandma. Yes, I'll have to let her know that Tyler is making this. So this fudge actually has 3 ingredients because he added the pecans. So I guess you can say it's a 3-ingredient fudge. You don't have to add pecans, but that's what he did. That's what he chose to do. Okay, it's going to take about an hour in the fridge to settle. And let's see here. I want to get every bit of it out of here. Okay, I think that's about it. And kind of smooth it around the dish. This is an 8x8 dish, I believe. Glass dish. Can't go wrong with this one. Can't make a mistake with it. And here it is. Tyler's chocolate fudge. 2 ingredients with pecans added, making it 3 ingredients. Patty's Southern Kitchen, thanks for joining. And just tap that notifications bell to be reminded of the upcoming videos. Hi, I had to come back and show you the finished product of the chocolate fudge. 2 ingredients and pecans added, making it a 3rd ingredient, but that is totally optional. I have taken it out of the refrigerator after an hour, and I've kind of cut it in squares, and I just want to take a piece out. I've already tasted it, and it is delicious. But here it is, and I'm going to taste it. So good. I love it. I can't eat too much of this, but it is really, really good. It's simple, just so easy to make. And Tyler made this today. It is good. He's gone home now, but I know he can't wait to get back and get his. Talk to you soon.